This is Nora and Daniel Levinson on their wedding day 24 years ago.
We have a great relationship and we talk about everything.
I've always been true to Nora.
So it was preposterous, but also disturbing when Daniel got this letter in the mail.
My name is Blackdoor82, and I know about the secrets you are keeping from your wife and everyone else. More importantly, I have evidence of what you have been hiding.
The letter threatened to tell Daniel's wife all about this supposed secret, unless he paid $8,000 in Bitcoin.
You're still thinking, did I ever do anything that this could come back to haunt me? And I think, no, I'm okay.
Daniel knew he'd done nothing wrong till somebody out there was targeting him.
It was very intimidating. Somebody has your name and your address, and that's unsettling.
Why he was picked out of millions to get this letter is a little disturbing.
The letter, postmarked in Alabama, says, "It's just your bad luck that I stumbled across your misadventures while working a job around San Francisco. Option 1 is to ignore this letter. I will take this evidence and send it to your wife, her friends, family, and your neighbors on Inverness Drive. Option 2 is to pay me $8,150. And the payment had to be in Bitcoin. The letter even included a 2-page how-to guide for buying the currency and finding a legitimate trader. Get this, to avoid being scammed."
That was hysterical.
They had nothing that they could spread that was truthful.
Daniel reported it to the FBI and the Postal Service.
And then I decided to call Michael Finney.
And we found several reports from across the country by men who got a nearly identical letter. Daniel says, don't fall for it.
It's an honest-to-God scam.